Hello guys, in this video we are gonna unbox and review the Midazzle 2-in-1 foot scrubber. I bought it from Amazon for 210 rupees. The handle is made up of plastic. The grill is very sharp. Let's use it. First, we need to soak our feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, it is removing my thick dead skin from my hair very easily. As you can see, it is removing my thick dead skin from my hair very easily. You can see that my dead skin is removed and my feet are very softer compared to what it was before.